Travel insurance. Today I'm gonna to talk about what is travel insurance and how does travel insurance work. Should you get travel insurance? Travel insurance types and more. So let's go. What is travel insurance? Travel insurance can cover financial losses due to unforeseen setbacks, both before you depart and during a trip. These include trip cancellation, travel delays and interruption, medical emergencies, medical evacuations, and loss of luggage. In general, travel insurance policies are good for US and international travel and usually cost between 4% to 8% of the total trip price. How does travel insurance work? Travel insurance works in the same manner as other kinds of insurance policies, such as plans to protect a home, car, or other valuable assets like jewelry. Travel insurance plans protect certain prepaid, non-refundable, trip-related costs that could be at risk in the case of an unexpected issue. Among them, a delayed flight that causes you to miss a cruise, an injury that causes your trip to be cut short, or an airline losing your luggage. Should you get travel insurance? The decision to purchase a travel insurance plan is closely connected to the traveler's risk tolerance, the value of their trip, and the potential for certain circumstances to arise that could cause disruptions to their travel plans, says Rhonda Sloan, Head of Marketing and Travel Industry Relations at AIG Travel. For example, a cruise that cost $15 would be an investment that many would consider worth protecting, particularly if there could be issues that put prepaid, non-refundable trip costs at risk, says Sloan, for more expensive trips or those that take a traveler farther from home. A travel insurance plan might be on their radar, as the chances of lost luggage, cancelled or delayed flights, injuries related to trip activities, or other travel mishaps are greater. What is covered by a standard travel insurance policy? Most standard travel insurance policies are going to include some coverage for trip cancellation, trip interruption, trip delay, travel medical expenses, emergency medical evacuation, and benefits for lost or stolen baggage and some personal effects. How much does travel insurance cost? As noted above, travel insurance policies for US and international travel usually cost between 4% to 8% of the total trip price. What affects travel insurance costs? As an example, AIG Travel's Deluxe, Preferred, and Essential travel insurance plans are priced based on traveler's age, trip cost, trip duration, state of residence. How can you get travel insurance? You can purchase travel insurance through carrier. You can buy directly from a travel insurance carrier online and answer prompts to get a quote and make a purchase. You can also call the company's toll-free number and speak with a representative. In addition, travel advisors also offer travel insurance plans. Credit card. Some credit cards have travel insurance benefits, but this coverage will vary, so it's best to check with your specific credit card issuer. There are often exclusions and limitations, so request an overview of the scope of the policy. Another important factor is that you must pay for your entire trip on the card on which you plan to file a claim. How can you get the most out of travel insurance? 1. Purchase your travel insurance plan as soon as you book your trip and take advantage of all the pre-departure benefits, such as trip cancellation coverage. 2. Look into a waiver of the exclusion for pre-existing medical conditions. 3. Take advantage of all the perks included. For example, there should be travel assistance services if you experience a travel disruption, such as a delayed flight or lost luggage. Most carriers have a 24/7 hotline that provides free help, including concierge services, translation services, and medical referrals. How do you choose the best insurance policy? There is no one-size-fits-all when it comes to travel insurance. It's up to the individual to review each policy type and determine if the benefits included fit their personal needs and concerns, says Daniel Durazo, Director of External Communications at Ollie Arts Partners. US. How much insurance you need comes down to how much you're willing to risk losing in the event of an unexpected cancellation or emergency situation, he adds. It's also advisable to research policy options and your destination. Do your homework, says Sloan. She explains that it is important for travelers to have a good understanding of their destination and the mishaps that might be common there, severe weather, petty crime, etc. Travelers should also carefully review the details of any insurance plan they are considering to learn about coverage amounts, potential coverage exclusions, and optional policy upgrades, says Sloan. Aim to get an understanding of plan and coverage options, as well as the likelihood for certain mishaps at a planned destination, so you're in a better position to choose a travel insurance plan that's best suited for your trip.